Let G be a cyclic group of order 24. The total number of group isomorphism of G onto itself is. Four options are given to us and we have to find the right one option. As G is cyclic, G is cyclic and order of G is 24. Then we have to find total number of isomorphism from G to G, because these are group, same group and composition, same group and group composition. So it can be considered, this isomorphism can be considered as automorphism. This is automorphism of G, and we have to find total number of total isomorphism, that is cardinality of such automorphism. It means how many automorphism can be exist. It means cardinality of this automorphism, and this automorphism is the set all those isomorphism from G to G such that phi is isomorphism, and we have to find its cardinality. G is cyclic and its order is 24. Because G is cyclic, G is isomorphic to Z or Zn, integer modulo n. Because of orders, G is equivalent to Zn. It means we have to find by this cardinality of such automorphism of Zn. And we know that automorphism of Zn is equivalent to this one. Automorphism of Zn is isomorphic to Un. Automorphism of Zn isomorphic to Un, and we have to find total numbers of element in Un, and it can be easily find out by phi n. Euler phi function. Normally we know. It means we have to find phi 24. Phi 24 can be evaluated easily by this formula n, and product of all such divisor which can divide 24, 1 minus 1 upon pi. It means n is 24 and pi are, if 24 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 into 3. So this is pi, this is p1, or you can say this is p2. So product will be 1 minus 1 upon 2 and 1 minus 1 upon 3. It means 24 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. 2 3 is 6 and 6 4 is 24, 4 2 is 8. It means total number of isomorphism are 8. This formula, Euler phi function, can be easily find out or evaluate as this 24 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 into 3, and this is the product of pi's, and where pi's are divisor of 24, and this is 1 upon pi. Now if we can write 1 minus 1 upon 2 and 1 minus 1 upon 3, and this is 2 raised to the power 3 here and 3 here, then it will be 2 minus 1 upon 2, and this will be 2 raised to the power 3, and 2 upon 3 or 3 minus 1. It means 2 raised to the power, this is ki, it means exponent of primes, minus 1, and this is another exponent, or you can say p1 raised to the power k1 minus 1, or this is p1 minus 1, or p2 raised to the power k2 minus 1, and this is p2 minus 1, and so on. So this is another form of this Euler function you can use somehow, but this is convenient form. So true option is B.